calls this.
She wants to play with it. If you give it to her, that's what she'll do.
Oh,
Oh.
really?
Justin, could you throw that out? She's gonna stop on it. But wait. Could you rinse this off so I could feed her lasagna?
But she doesn't want it. She just wants to play with it.
No one likes a smart ass, Justin.